Okay, my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
My screen is visible, na? Okay. So the theodolite survey, we are continuing with the last topic. So here, this theodolite survey is basically used to determine the angle between two lines. Okay, and it is more accurate than compass survey. It is near about, we can get a least count around 10 second to 20 second. But in case of compass survey, the least count generally we have near about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, so that is the most important in this theodolite survey. Now tell me, we have determined in the last class the latitude and departure. Now, is there any doubt? Anyone having any doubt regarding these two parts? How to determine latitude and departure? Is there any doubt? Tell me first. Then I will go for the next part.
No, sir.
Anyone? Rajdeep, Tawhid?
No, sir.
Okay. Shubham, Shaptorshi, and Vedantika?
No, sir.
Latitude and departure you can determine. Now tell me how to get the value of latitude and departure. Anyone? As you know, हम लोग कैसे latitude और departure निकाल सकते हैं? Anyone? Please give some point.
Sir,
Sir,
L cos
vertical
theta.
Yes, yes. फिर एक बार थोड़ा सा can you elaborate? What is the value of
Sir,
latitude? Yes, बोलो.
L cos theta.
L cos theta कौन सा? Latitude.
हाँ, latitude.
Okay. L cos theta and departure
L sin theta.
L sin theta. Okay, okay. And L cos theta latitude is in which axis? X or Y?
Y.
Y. Very good. And departure it is in X axis. Very, very good. If you understand this thing, then others is very easy. That means it is simply like this is the X axis and this is the Y axis. X axis mean it is L cos theta, and it, sorry, X axis mean L sin theta. L sin theta, and Y axis means L cos theta. तौहीद समझ में आ रहा है? तौहीद, हेलो हेलो तौहीद, am I audible? तौहीद,
हाँ सर, म्यूट करके बोल रहे थे. हाँ सर.
ओके, समझ में आ रहा है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना? X axis
हाँ सर.
we have L sin theta, Y axis we have L cos theta, and here it is positive, here it is also positive. Now obviously अगर उल्टा होता है इधर क्या होगा? L sin theta will be negative, L sin theta हो जाएगा तुम्हारा नेगेटिव और L cos theta हो जाएगा पॉजिटिव. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इन दिस axis both are negative, and here what happened? Here the L sin theta will be positive and L cos theta will be negative.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is how we can determine the latitude and departure. Now today, uh, in the last class I have told you balancing, some how we can balance the traverse. I have told you some methods how you can balance the traverse, and I have told you some methods. Like one method I have told. Anyone give me that? Can tell me the method of that? Balance traversing. What is the name of that? Anyone remember the method? How we can eliminate the error from a traverse?
স্যার ওখান থেকে আরেকবার বলুন না, রিপিট করুন, আমার ওখানটা নেট চলে গেছে.
Okay, not an issue. Very, very simple. Look, how we can balance the traversing. That means how we can eliminate the error in a traverse. Okay, there are three different methods. Now as per your syllabus we have two methods. One is Bowditch rule. Remember this thing. One is Bowditch rule and second one is হচ্ছে transit rule. Transit rule, everyone सब अच्छे से देखना. एक है Bowditch rule and second one is transit rule. Now as per Bowditch rule, what we can say, the formula is length of that side by perimeter of the traverse into the total error in latitude. Total error in latitude. Now when I am considering the latitude, then here will be latitude, and when I am going to determine the correction to departure, then in place of latitude we just need to write the departure, else everything is same. This one is same, this one is same. Only when I am going to determine the correction need for the latitude part, then we will write over here latitude, and when we are going to determine the correction for the departure, then we are using here the departure. Only this thing will be changed. Clear, Rajdeep and others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, have you remembered the last day's example which I have given? I think Shubham is there. Shubham?
हाँ सर.
शुभम, तुमने किया था ना ये वाला? एक ही हम लोगों ने किया था, आज हम लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे, ठीक है? पूरा टेबल जो एग्जाम में आता है, लाइक लेट अस राइट द टेबल. यू राइट दिस टेबल प्लीज, एवरीवन प्लीज राइट दिस टेबल. If you can solve this, I think it will be more clear. Line length, latitude and departure. Latitude and departure, these four data will be given to you. These four data will be given to you, and you will be required to correct the latitude and departure. There will be some error. First you need to determine what is the value of error, then you need to correct those error. Okay, how can we correct? Very easy. First you write these four columns: line, length, latitude and departure. And now I am writing. Yes, bolo.
सर एक आरबी भी कुछ बोल के था.
आरबी रिड्यूस्ड पीरियड कहाँ पे था बोलो?
हाँ सर, लेंथ और लैटिट्यूड के बीच में.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আগের দিনে আরেকটা ছিল স্যার, আপনি
अच्छा।
আগের দিনের ইয়েটা খুলুন
ओ
না ওই যে
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, नहीं, समझ में आ गया. दैट इज द रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग. रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग, हाँ, रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग कब चाहिए होगा? जब ये लैटिट्यूड और डिपार्चर नहीं दिया होगा. रिमेंबर, अगर लेंथ और रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग मतलब क्या है? एल और थीटा. अगर एल और थीटा दे दिया है, तब तो लैटिट्यूड डिपार्चर देने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि तब तो हम लोग निकाल ले सकते हैं लैटिट्यूड डिपार्चर. लेकिन यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लैटिट्यूड और डिपार्चर का वैल्यू दे दिया है हम लोगों को, इसीलिए रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग is not given. Reduced bearing will be given on which type of numerical, where we need to determine the value of latitude and departure. But in this type of numerical, where you need to just correct the latitude and departure, in this type of numerical there will be no theta will be given. That means the reduced bearing will be not given. I will show you that previous days numerical. Let me show you. I think this one. ये देखो, लाइन, लेंथ, होल सर्कल बियरिंग, रिड्यूस्ड बियरिंग. अब ये जो लैटिट्यूड और डिपार्चर ये हम लोगों ने निकाला था, याद करो.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, এটা প্রথম একটা.
হ্যাঁ, প্রথম একটা আমরা we have determined the value of this latitude and departure. These are not given, but what values given? This line, this length and this whole circle bearing is given. Now we converted the whole circle bearing to reduced bearing, and from the reduced bearing we can get the value of latitude and departure. And we have used some formulas like summation of latitude equals to 0, summation of departure equals to 0, and we get this value. Then we put the symbols plus minus. Then by watching this symbol we can see that it is in which quadrant, and from that quadrant we can see this is northwest, and we have put it over here northwest. And from then we just use some formula, we get this L and theta value. This is the yesterday's previous numerical. Now today what happened? Today this line, this length, this latitude and this departure, these values are only provided to correct the bearings, because the bearings already, sorry, the latitude and departures already provided. These are not needs to be calculated. Is that clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার.
शुभम समझ में आया? शुभम, तौहीद एंड
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
अदर्स? ओके ओके, सो हम लोग चलते हैं यहाँ। ओके, so here we have this kind of data which will be provided. So AB, please write down everyone and it will be clear. If you do this in your own rough work, or if you have your own worksheet, you please do yourself and it will be more clear along with me. A, B, C, D, D, E and EA. I request all of you, Vedantika and Devojyoti, and who is like right now, you can, if you can do this parallelly, it will be more better. 70, it is 80, it is 43, just in a rough worksheet you can do. 38, and this is 115, 115, this is the length. And this is the latitude, right? Latitude is plus 21.5. This is 80 point minus, I think, minus 80.755. It is minus 41.000, and it is minus 14.250, and it is plus 114.150. And here we have the departure, that is minus 65.450. It is minus 5.250, and it is plus 13.550. And here it is, we have plus 35.150, and here we have plus 22.315. Now only this data will be given, and you will be required to correct the latitude and correct the departure. You just need to, these are not corrected value. Like, how you can check that whether this latitude and departure is correct or not? What is the rule I have told you in the last class? What is the rule? How you can check that latitude is correct and departure is correct? हम लोग कैसे जान पाएंगे जे कि ये लैटिट्यूड का जो लिस्ट है ये करेक्ट है और डिपार्चर का करेक्ट है सब कुछ वैल्यू? ये हम लोग कैसे चेक कर पाते हैं? Anyone?
दोनों का सम अगर सेम हो गया तो?
दोनों का सम सेम नहीं हुआ। अगर समेशन ऑफ लैटिट्यूड इक्वल्स टू 0 होता है एंड समेशन ऑफ डिपार्चर इक्वल्स टू 0 होता है, देन देयर विल बी नो एरर। ओके,
हाँ सर।
याद आया? शुभम एंड तौहीद एंड अदर्स, राजदीप चटर्जी एंड वेदांतिका एंड ईच एंड एवरीवन।
हाँ सर, हाँ सर।
सपोज मैं एक सिंपल सा बात बोलता हूँ, सपोज यहाँ पे जो प्लस 22.315 है ये नहीं है, सपोज यहाँ पे नहीं है, तुमको क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि ये वैल्यू मुझे निकाल के दो। क्या करोगे? सिंपली ये 1 2 3 4 एंड यहाँ पे x ले लेना। तुम लिखोगे दिस 4 वैल्यू प्लस x इक्वल्स टू 0। So what will be the value of x? You are getting some value, that value will be the answer of this. Simple. मतलब ये समेशन ऑल द डिपार्चर वैल्यू को अगर ऐड करते हैं, we should have the value of 0. Okay, so then there will be no error. But right now we need to see what is the error value. So how can we check? Very simple. You just determine the total of latitude and total of departure. So I am just making like a row, something like this. I'm just making a row. Now you just tell me what is the summation of this departure. I can write over here total. This is the total value. Now tell me, after adding all this, minus 65.450, minus 5.250, this each and every term, after adding this value, what is the value you get? Just tell me. कितना आ रहा है? How much value is coming after adding all these values like all the departure values?
স্যার
65
মাইনাস ল্যাটিটিউডটা হচ্ছে -0.1
minus 0.1. I think ভুল আসছে, একটু ভালো করে চেক কর।
আচ্ছা
বাকিটাও করতে পারিস। If you can also do the cross check. What is the minus is correct, but the -1 is it is not accurate.
सर 0.-0.605.
No, it is -0.355. It should be. Let me do in front of you.
minus 0.355.
Yes, -0.355. -0.355. This is the answer.
হ্যাঁ স্যার হ্যাঁ
Okay.
ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ
Okay.
ঠিক
Okay.
আছে
Now this one. So that means here error is negative. Here the error is negative. That means whatever the correction we have for latitude, for all each and every term, we need to add. We need to add the values. Suppose here it is negative, so whatever the correction value, maybe it is x, maybe it is y, whatever the value, we need to add. We need to add with each terms because it is negative. And if we have here positive value, then we need to subtract from each value. That is my point. Is that clear to all of you? বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Okay, now tell me what is the value for the departure?
0.315 প্লাস
Exactly. হ্যাঁ, কি না বলছিস কেন? 0.
প্লাস বললাম স্যার
Plus 0.315. So this is the exact value. Okay, now you just make columns here. You can make column beside this. So the correction, you can write here correction. What is the correction required for this latitude and for departure? What is the correction required? Now it depends on the method. Remember, this correction value, whatever you need to write over here, it depends on the method of the correction or the balance traversing. Now what are the methods? I have told you two methods. One is the Bowditch rule. So first we will apply the Bowditch rule. Okay, first let us apply the Bowditch rule. So here what is the rule said? Length of that side. So on which side we are considering? Let us consider this AB line. Okay, this AB line. So length of that side how much? It is 70. AB line का length कितना है? 70 है. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 70 is that side. You can see I'm just writing the same thing. Length of that side, you can see, so I have written the length of that side. Now perimeter of the traverse. So what is the perimeter of the traverse? By perimeter of the traverse, that means by perimeter of the traverse. So perimeter कहाँ है, कितना है perimeter? Perimeter मतलब क्या? ये चारों को पांचों को ऐड करके जो वैल्यू आएगा, whatever the value we got after adding these 5 sides, that will be the perimeter. Now tell me what is the value of the perimeter of the traverse?
346
346, exactly. So 346 is the perimeter of the traverse. So 70 by 346, sorry, 346 into the error in which term we are going to determine? We are determining the correction for the latitude, right? So here into the error in the latitude. What is the error in the latitude? 0.
মাইনাস
Yes, minus, but here we need to put plus. Here we need to plus. No need to write the plus over here. You directly put the plus sign here, and in bracket you just write into 0.355, because I have already told if the error is negative, then we need to make it positive because it is the correction. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Devajyoti, Vedantika. And each and everyone, it is clear why I am providing here positive, because the error is negative. Now if you need to eliminate the negative into zero, so definitely suppose I have the error of -1, so I need to go for zero. Zero will be the zero error, that means there will be no error. So how much value we need to add? +1. So here it is plus, so that is why here it is minus 0.355. So we need to add some value, that is why I have given over here positive. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. So whatever the value you get, tell me for after total this calculation.
0.0718.
0.0718 exactly. So you can write over here 0.0718 or 0.072. Near value. Okay, now this is positive. Now similarly for this one, for this one, for this one, you determine all the values and tell me one by one. Very easy. So second one will be how much? 80 by 346 into same 0.355. Similar. राजदीप बोझा যাচ্ছে? चैटर्जी, तौहीद समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर.
Okay, Vedantika, each and very simple. Here,
Yes, sir.
here value is how much? 43. So 43 by 346 into 0.355, and each and every value will be positive. Each and every value will be positive. Similarly, this one, एक एक करके निकालो कितना हो रहा है? How much? Very simple.
সেটা 0.08.
Second data.
হ্যাঁ,
Okay. So plus 0.08,
0.044.
0.044,
ওটা 0.038.
0.038,
0.117.
0.117. Okay, great. Now here departure, how much? Departure same. Here also 70 by 346. Only here we have multiplied with the total error in latitude. We have multiplied with the total error in latitude, that is 0.355. Here it will be just 0.315. Very simple. Here it will be 0.315, and here the error is positive, so the value will be negative. রাজদীপ বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওকে, আর রাজদীপ চ্যাটার্জি বোঝা গেছে? হ্যালো রাজদীপ?
স্যার আমরা 315 কেন নিলাম, 355 টা কেন নিলাম না ওই সময়?
ওকে, কারণ বিকজ এখানে the error is latitude, the error for the latitude is 0.355. তাই জন্য যখন when I am determining the correction for latitude, then I will use 0.355. and when we are going to determine the correction for departure, so definitely we need to consider the departure value. That is why I have put it over here 0.315. Clear?
হ্যাঁ, আর ওটা অপোজিট সাইনটা হবে, মাইনাসটা হবে ওখানে।
Yes, মাইনাস হবে, বিকজ আমি একটা মেথড বললাম না আগে, যখন আমরা অ্যাঙ্গেল কারেকশন করতাম, হোয়াট উই ডু, যদি নেগেটিভ ভ্যালুজ হতো তাহলে পজিটিভ করে ইকুয়ালি ডিস্ট্রিবিউট করতাম ফর ইচ এভরি অ্যাঙ্গেল। হিয়ার অলসো সেম, বাট হিয়ার ইকুয়ালি ডিস্ট্রিবিউট হবে না, হিয়ার উইল নিড টু ইউজ সাম স্পেসিফিক রুলস। হোয়াট আর দোজ রুলস? লাইক Bodich's rule, like the another rule, that is transit rule, and some other
transit.
rule. Exactly. So this is the Bodich's rule. Bodich's rule, we need to consider this length and perimeter, and I will show in what happened in case of transit rule as well.
আচ্ছা স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
Okay, so tell me what are the values one by one. এইটা এগুলো সব কটা ভ্যালু। Everyone বোঝা যাচ্ছে তো, মানে it is clear what I am saying till now? Is it clear, Vedantika and others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any problem, then tell me, okay, at any point. So how much it is coming? It is, who is calculating?
Sir, minus 0.0637.
Minus
0.0637.
0.063. Okay, and next one.
minus 0.0728.
Okay, minus 0.0728. Okay. Here it is. Everyone will be minus definitely. So I have given the sign.
তারপর একটা minus 0.0391.
0.0391. Okay, great.
তারপর এটা 0.034.
0.034. একদম correct. 100%.
তারপর একটা 0.104.
0.104. Okay, very good. Now we have done the correction which is required for the correction in latitude and correction in departure. Now it is very much simple because we have done the correction, we have determined the correction value. Now you can directly calculate the value of latitude and departure. Simply you can determine the corrected value of latitude and departure. How you can determine? কি করে বার করতে পারবো corrected value? Anyone? Shubham?
हाँ सर.
शुभम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग करेक्टेड लैटिट्यूड एंड डिपार्चर वैल्यू?
স্যার ওই cos থিটাটাই মনে হয় বসাতে হবে ভ্যালু গুলোতে।
কোনটা?
ওই যে cos থিটার ভ্যালু আছে না?
না, লুক একটা সিম্পল জিনিস ভাব। সাপোজ your value is 3, normal value, that is which is having some error. Suppose যে কোনো any value, your value is 3. Okay, now the correction value is -1. So what is your corrected value? সাপোজ your normal, সাপোজ একটা পেন কিনেছিস তুই,
বুঝতে পেরেছি।
সাপোজ একটা পেনের দাম হচ্ছে 3 টাকা, নাও কারেকশন নিডেড -1. So what is the actual value? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So here also same thing, we have determined, we in the question already the incorrected value is given, that is 21.5, 21.5 minus these are the value which are given, which includes the error. Now the correction needed we have already determined, so very simple, rest of the part is very simple. Exactly, so plus 21.5 plus 0. Whatever the মানে এখানে already sign is also given, plus 0.0718. So whatever the value you have, that is the corrected latitude. Second one, minus 80.755 plus 0.08. You can see this is for latitude. I am considering right now only the latitude. Now similar for departure. Departure, what happened? If I consider the first one, minus 65.450, and here it is minus 0.063. In such a way, same case for here. This is the only portion. This is a particular type of numerical where the latitude and departure will be provided to you. You just need to make the correction using some specific rule which will be given in the question. So depending on that rule, you need to use these formulas and you need to determine the correction value, and you will correct the latitude and departure. This is how you can do this. Is that clear to everyone?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Devajyoti, clear? Shubham?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now just determine 2 to 3 values. I hope rest of the part you can determine. You just determine at least first 2 rows, and then you can determine at your home. At least just tell me two values, this one, and this one and this one. If you can do this, I think rest of the part will be very easy for you. Determine first. Tell me the corrected latitude first.
21.57.
Okay, 20. Let me remove this. 21.57.
5718.
5718. Okay, let us 5718. Okay,
তারপরেরটা -80.67.
minus
80
নিচেরটা না ডিপারচার বলছিস?
না এই নিচেরটা।
ও আচ্ছা, -80.67 একদম, -80.67 and departure. আচ্ছা, others বোঝা গেছে তো? others বাকিদের is it clear to everyone?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. And departure?
65.513.
65 point. Positive, negative?
নেগেটিভ মাইনাস।
Exactly. Sign is very much important. Here it is positive, so you write it here positive. So -65.51. Okay. Sign is very much important because it is latitude and departure. When you are giving the putting the value under this column, latitude and departure, the sign is very much important. Even we know that if there is no sign, that means positive, but here you need to provide that value, a sign.
তারপরটা স্যার -5.3228.
953,228. Exactly, 100%. So I think rest of the part all of you can determine. निकल पाओगे सब कोई? Tauhid, Vedantika and others value you can determine
Yes, sir.
each and everyone. Okay, so I think we can move on to the next. Yes, কারোর কোনো doubt? Yes, speak. Someone is saying something. Hello.
না স্যার।
Okay. Now let me tell you the transit rule, and then we'll move on to the next numerical, another type of numerical, the transit rule. Let me show you the transit rule. So transit rule is very simple. Like I have shown you this formula, like length of that side by perimeter of the traverse into the total error in latitude or departure, right? So what happened in case of transit rule? Let me write. It is basically the latitude of that side, the latitude of that side by arithmetical sum of the latitude by into total error in latitude, into total error in latitude. That means what? The total error in latitude will be same like the previous one. Here what is the total error in latitude? 0.355. Is that clear? Hello.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Total error in latitude is clear, 0.355. Only the rule is different. মানে কি হবে? Only the rule is different. What happened? This correction value will be changed. Others is same. Only this correction value will be changed. When we apply different rule, this correction value will be different, but rest of the part is same. Now I will show you just how you can determine the new correction value for the latitude and the new departure value for the departure. Okay, now how you can determine? By using this rule. Now question is, what is this value and what is this value? This is the main part, because this is the same like previous one. Now how can we determine the latitude of that side? Of that side, that means when I want to determine this latitude, this particular row, so we need to see in which side we have this value. So in which side? This is in side AB, where we have line AB. So the latitude of that line, what is the latitude of that line? Plus 21.5. So that means this 21.5, we are not going to consider any sign. Remember, when we are applying the transit rule, we are not going to see any sign, that means whether it is positive or negative. We are just interested with the value. So latitude of that side is how much? 21.5. Is that clear? Is it clear? The latitude of that
Yes,
side
sir.
is
Yes,
21. Okay, so here you just simply write 21.5. So I am determining, suppose I am determining the latitude of line AB. I am determining the latitude of line AB. Okay, and the formula is latitude of that side, that is 21.5, and arithmetical sum of the latitude. Arithmetical sum of the latitude means you need to add just this latitude values without considering the sign. That means 21.5 plus 80.755 plus 41 plus 14.250 plus 114.15. We are not going to consider any symbol when we use this transit rule. Is that clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
So determine all the values, the
স্যার
arithmetical
একটু
sum.
নিচে ফর্মুলাতে নিয়ে যাও একবার লিখে
হ্যাঁ
নাও।
হ্যাঁ, definitely definitely. Vedantika, is it clear? কোনো ডাউট আছে? ওকে ওকে ওকে। সপ্তর্ষি, ওকে
হ্যাঁ
সপ্তর্ষি,
স্যার হয়ে গেছে।
ওকে। So what is the arithmetical sum of the latitude?
স্যার 70 প্লাস 80 ওটা হবে কি সবগুলো প্লাস?
না না, এটা তো লেন্থ, দিস ইজ দ্য লেন্থ, এটা হচ্ছে লেন্থ, বাট ফর্মুলা কি আছে?
কত কেটে
arithmetical.
কেটে যাচ্ছে।
Okay, now hello, am I audible?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এবার ঠিক আছে।
Am I রাজদীপ, শোনা যাচ্ছে আমার কথা?
হ্যাঁ
Clear?
স্যার, হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, okay. Devajyoti, what I am saying, this you are saying this 70 80, these are under column length, but here in the formula you can see the arithmetical sum of the latitude, not the length. So latitude is which one? This is the latitude column, and we need to add the values without considering the signs. That means 21.5, 80.755, 41, এই value গুলো. Is that clear, Devajyoti?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ঠিক আছে বুঝলাম।
Okay, now you just add all the values and tell me what is the value you are getting.
271.655।
Okay, this is not in my calculation and also not in book, so make sure it is correct.
655 ডান স্যার
271.65.
দেখে নি বললেন যখন।
ওকে ওকে, একটু দেখে নে সবাই, আরেকজন ক্রস চেক করে নে, বিকজ দিস ইজ নট ইন দ্য বুক। Example is not given in of transit rule. Example is not given in the book, so that is why only the Bowditch rule is given. I am applying the rule in this same numerical. That is why. May I show the screen? This one. $21.5 plus 80.75 41 plus 14.250 plus 4.15 271.655 is the same value. Yes, 271.655. It is a correct one, Rajdeep.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
100% correct. So okay, so we got the value latitude of that side by arithmetical sum of the latitude into 0.355. That means the value will be 21.5 by 271.655 into 0.355. Now what is the value you are getting? 21 answer into 0.355. It is 0.0274. Am I correct? Please cross check.
স্যার একবার বলুন কত
আমার এসছে 0.0274.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ জিরো ওই তো 280 আসছে
Okay. So that means this value is the correction which is required for AB line and for the latitude, and it is positive. What will be the sign? Tell me, positive or negative? এটা sign কি হবে? The correction sign will it be positive or negative? Anyone? Shubham?
তো পজিটিভই হবে
Can yes, positive, exactly positive, because the error is negative for the latitude column. You can see the latitude column, the error is negative, so here definitely the correction value will be positive. So this 0.0274 will be coming in this part, in this part. Here in place of this plus 0.0718 we need to use this value, that is 0.0274. so this is using the transit rules. If we use the Bowditch rule then it is correct, but if you use the transit rule that value will be coming over here. Now similarly for departure, suppose I am going to determine for the departure value, so what will be the value? Departure will is the, what is the formula for AB line? Suppose I am determining for the same line, AB line departure, so departure of that side by arithmetical sum of the departure into the total error in departure. Is that clear? Is there any issue using of this regarding this formula? কোনো problem
না
আছে?
স্যার না সেম তো সেম
Same. Now just departure value you need to use. Departure value how much? Just 165 65.45. It is a departure. No, we never use the sign. Remember, sign is not used when I am using the transit rule. Only 65.45. So I will only write over here 65.45. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
And arithmetical sum is same, just you need to add all the values without considering the sign of departure column, and the total error in departure is same like previous one. I think it is 0.315. It is 0.315. It is 0.315, and the error should be negative or positive. देखिए এটা positive আছে, so it will be negative. The correction will be negative. Whatever the value we have, that is in negative value. Clear to everyone? Both rule are clear to each and everyone. That means if any question coming from this part, I hope I can consider that every one of you can attend this. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So now we are moving on to the in one very much interesting numerical. So please be ready. I have some time. We can complete the numerical. I hope so. It is related to the yesterday's first numerical. That means where the latitude and theta, L and theta, is not given. So if anyone missed the last class, so he or she can do this today's numerical. Okay, I think that will be clear your concept. So let us start this numerical. It is 337 page, I think so. And this is very much important because it has come in semester question. Okay, so please be uh, ready to do this numerical. Okay, first you draw this. A traverse is given. This kind of traverse is given. This is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. This is A point, this point is A, and this point is B. Some datas are also provided: line, length, and bearing. PQ given, QR given, and RS also given. The length is 125.5. Here it is 80.25. Here it is 150.75, and the bearing value is also given. North, it is in reduced bearing system, directly it is given, so no need to convert from whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. South 40 degree 30 minute east, and it is south 60 degree 30 minute west. And the distance between A point to P point is given, and how much it is? 50 meter. And the distance between B and R, this distance is also given, that is 75 meter. Now in the question it is asked, determine the length of AB. AB length is needs to be determined. Now can you, after first you write down the question, then we are coming to the solution. The question is visible to all of you? Question
Yeah,
দেখা
sir.
যাচ্ছে? Okay, so have you noted down everyone? Okay, so after completion please tell me, and those who have completed, uh, you just think how can we determine the value of AB. That means how can we start, just tell me how can we start. Shubham, you can think, how can we start solving this numerical, just think. Complete, done.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay. Now, look, remember, in the question, it is asked to determine the bearing of AB. The length of AB. Is that clear to everyone? Only question में बोला गया है कि determine the length of AB. That means determine this particular length only. Now, what we can do, Rajdeep, what do you think? How can we solve this numerical? Ji, Devojyoti, how can we solve the numerical?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Is there any idea?
কোন একটা পার্টিকুলার পোর্শন থেকে স্টার্ট করব, কোন একটা পয়েন্ট এস থেকে।
Exactly. If you just compare with the previous numerical, just compare with the not previous first day's numerical, what we have done, we have started with the traverse. We have started with the traverse, something like this. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and this is E dash, very close. Now we have seen this point are not closed, though both points are not meeting to each other, right? So here also you can think that these 2 points are also not closed. This P and S, this P and S are also not closing. You can do the similar thing what we have done in the case of previous numerical, the first days. We can also think that this is a huge error, the lines are not connected. We can compare with the first day's numerical, or what you can do, simply you just think we need to determine the AB. So we just make a traverse AQ, first AQ, then QR, then RB, and then BA. Let us make this traverse, or let us only make the interest only on this portion only, because if we can make this traverse, then obviously we can determine the value of AB. हम लोग एक we have done this kind of numerical where suppose AB, BC, CD and DA. Suppose here the L given, theta given, L given, theta given, L given, theta given. But suppose in case of DA, L is not given, theta is not given. But we have determined these two value. हम लोग ऐसा न्यूमेरिकल किए थे ना एक तो प्रीवियसली. हेलो
হ্যাঁ স্যার, একদম ফার্স্ট এডটা।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, এখানেও সেম নিউমেরিক্যাল। হিয়ার অলসো এবি লাইনের লেন্থ গিভেন, অ্যাঙ্গেল গিভেন, বিসি লাইন এল গিভেন, থিটা গিভেন, সিডি লাইন এল গিভেন, থিটা গিভেন, ডিএ লাইন এল is not given, theta is not given. You can see, you just compare with that numerical here. Suppose I am considering this traverse AQ. So the AQ, the angle, the bearing of AQ is given or not? AQ not given, only PQ given. Now you tell me, if there is any line, suppose अगर कोई ऐसा line होता है, let me show you. Suppose you have this line, now you have this bearing. Tell me, if you make any point on this line, all the bearing will be same or different? Tell me. এই বিয়ারিং গুলো সেম হবে না ডিফারেন্ট হবে? জাস্ট টেল মি, ইফ দিস বিয়ারিং উই নো, all the bearing will be same or different? Tell me, in a same line.
স্যার সেম লাইনের ক্ষেত্রে সেম হবে।
Exactly. So that means here this value, this bearing is given. Here in this question, this bearing is given. That means the bearing of PQ, we can see the PQ bearing is north 30 degree 15 minutes. So if this bearing is 30 degree 15 minutes, so definitely it will be also same, right?
হ্যাঁ।
Am I clear? So when solving this numerical, now you got this value. Suppose this is AB is that line, so you got this theta, and L is also known. Similarly, BCL known, theta known, CD known, theta
স্যার
known.
মেন অ্যাঙ্গেলটা সেম থাকবে,
Yes, অ্যাঙ্গেলটা তো
ওখান
সেমই
থেকে বের
থাকবে।
করতে হবে অ্যাঙ্গেলটার থেকে।
Exactly, angle is same because this is the reduced bearing system. Reduced bearing system এ তো angle same থাকবে। North east, the dimension is given, the direction is also given, the quadrant, and this is the angle 30 degree 15 minutes. Now তোকে নিজের মতো করে you just need to make the arrangement, that is the line, length and bearing, which value you need to write. That means this is in the question it is given, but when you write your own traverse, the traverse will be something like this: AQRB. We are not going to use these 2 points. The S we will not use, and we will also not use this P. This P we will also not use because our point of interest is AQRB. This is my traverse. So what I will do, first you determine the length AQ. The length AQ is not given in the question, directly not given, indirectly it is given. Tell me what is the value of this distance, because we need to know the length, right? We need to know this length, we need to know this length, we need to, this is also already given, and this length is not given, we will determine this L. Now you tell me what is this value, tell me, anyone. I hope you can do this. First you tell me PQ, what is the total length of PQ?
Sir, 125.5.
Yes, exactly, 125.5. So 50 meter is from P to A. So what will be this one? 125.5 minus 50. Look, in the question, this kind of numerical will be given. So this is the simple concept you need to apply. 125.5 minus 50 and you will get this length. And what is the value? Tell me. It is 75. No, how much? 75.5. How much it is coming?
75.5.
Very good. 75.5. So that means our new traverse, let us write like this over here. किसी को कोई doubt है? If you have any doubt at any point, immediately tell me. I will repeat, not an issue. Bearing, not a, let's write like reduced bearing, it will be more accurate. So line, the first line, our traverse, our point of interest is AQ. AQ line. Now what is the length we got? 75.5. What is the reduced bearing? Same, north 30 degree 15 minute east. Is that clear? Is there any doubt with this line? Any doubt? यहाँ तक कोई किसी का कोई डाउट है? शुभम?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the second line and all the values. Second line में क्या होगा ये? QR. Now what is the length क्या होगा इसका? What will be the length of this QR? Tell me, anyone? It is given in the question. Hello?
Yes, sir.
My voice is clear, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the length of this QR? It is 80.25, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 80.25, simply you just need to write, and the reduced bearing is also given, south 40 degree 30 minute east. Now what is the next part? RB. Just you need to go through your drawing. This is my drawing. I have already completed up to this part. Then this RB. Now RB, what is the, just write like RB, and what is the length of RB? It is given 75 meter. Is that clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. So this is RB. And what is the reduced bearing of RB? I hope anyone can tell me. What is the reduced bearing of RB? It is not directly given, but you can determine. by eye estimation. Oh shit. Load shedding. So I in my place I have load shedding. So let us. My voice is audible to all of you.
Yes, sir, yes.
So what should I do? I think we don't have. Okay, I think what I can do after this. Okay, my screen is visible, right? In the mobile phone, it is visible. So you can see the reduced bearing of RB will be same as the reduced bearing of RS. You can see the RS. It is visible in the screen. Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Screen में देखो. The reduced bearing of RS, you can see RS, the length is 150.75 दिया गया है ना. हेलो.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, तो देखो RS का जो रिड्यूस्ड बेयरिंग है वो कितना है? साउथ 60 डिग्री 30 मिनट वेस्ट. हेलो. हेलो. माय वॉइस इज क्लियर और
Yes, sir, clear है.
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि द रिड्यूस्ड बेयरिंग of RS is south 60 degree 30 minute west. So if RS, you can see the alignment of RS. The RS is in particular angle. So RB is in also same angle. Is that clear? RS and RB are in same line. So that is why the reduced bearing of RS will be same as like the reduced bearing of RB. दोनों का reduced bearing same होगा क्योंकि दोनों line एक ही alignment पे है. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Shubham, Rajdeep and others, is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so that means we can write that reduced bearing of RB will be south 60 degree 30 minute west. So you please write down this because my mouse is not working right now and pen tab is also not working. You can write down the reduced bearing. I am just dictating the reduced bearing of RB is south 60 degree 30 minute west. After written down, please tell me, then I will go to the next step. Have you written down the reduced bearing of RB? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see the traverse. What is the traverse? AQRB. So in the traverse, we have got three lines, we have got three length, and we have got three reduced bearing. Now the rest of the part is last line BA. Okay, now similar method in the first class I have shown how you can determine the line if the length is not given, and if the theta, that means the reduced bearing, or is not given of any particular line of a traverse, then we can determine using some specific rule. Now you please go through the first video lecture, recorded video lecture, that means how you can determine the length and the reduced bearing if that is not given in the question. Now the rest of the part is same like a previous one. Have you understand? That means what I am trying to say. রাজদীপ বোঝা যাচ্ছে যেটা আমি প্রথম দিন করেছিলাম, the same type of numerical, only the length and theta is not provided, but in this numerical there is some specific tricks we need to use. Which tricks? Like we need to subtract the value first one, then we get the AB length, then the AQ length, then after QR, then RB. So there are some specific tricks we need to apply in this type of numerical. Rest of the part is same like the first numerical that we have done. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think it is not possible to continue my this here so much of noise is there, and it is so much raining outside, so I think the network will be not coming right now. So I am closing the session, and you please go through the first video lecture, and the rest of the part of this numerical I will continue in the next class. So till now what I have said, is that clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Shubham, Jeet and Rajdeep and others.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please go through video lecture. If you have any doubt, then I will just discuss in the next class. Okay. And also remember, tomorrow we have professional practice. So Vedantika already sent me the PPT. So if you guys also completed the PPT, you just send me through WhatsApp also, because the uploading may be a problem through that particular portal. So you can send me in WhatsApp, and I will screen share on behalf of you if there is any network issue, because we don't know tomorrow what will be the condition. Okay. So thank you everyone, and stay well, stay safe, because the weather is not very good. And thank you everyone. Okay, so you can leave the meeting. If you have any question, you can tell me.
No, sir.
নো স্যার নো স্যার
Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you
Thank you, sir.
everyone. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Bye,
Thank
bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Thank you Vedantika. Bye. Thank you Vedantika. Bye.